Welcome back, my dear students. I'm really excited that we are starting this new section here. We are going to be learning how to create, guess what? Something that we're missing here, guys. We have so many products and we don't want the user to be scrolling down all the time, right? So much. Well, we're going to be creating pagination. And let me show you what type of pagination we are using. Let's go to another project I got here somewhere. And if you go down here, you can see that we have pagination, which looks pretty cool. But look what happens when I click next. We go to page 2 and we have the back button and even this active class here, okay, letting the user know that they are on page 2. If I go to page 3 up here, okay, and if you see, the content is actually changing as well. Okay, let's go to page 1 and you can see it starts at product number 11. I put these numbers there so we can see it. But if I go, and this is 16 right here, if I go to the next page, it goes to number 17. Okay, and don't worry, the names here, this is just some data that I put in the database so that way we can see the pagination happening. Okay, and some issue we have with the quantity. But anyway, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this section. I want you to get really excited. One thing that I really want you to understand is that I'm now going to be holding you by the hand here in this new section. Okay, you should be well versed in PHP, and if you're not, if you don't want to do this section here, I have this file in the reference files lecture, so you can download it. I might even put it in this lecture, so check this lecture to see if I included this file here, this functionality. But the whole project is going to be updated in the reference file, so make sure that you check that. That way you can get the code if you don't want to do it. If you want to learn how to do it, then watch this new section. I'll see you in the next lectures.